How to use Gemini AI in Google search. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Gemini AI in Google search. You can use Gemini in Google search by visiting the Gemini website. So basically, you want to open up your browser, type in Gemini on the web address bar, click the first link that appears, that is gemini.google.com. Click that out. Next, you want to sign in with your Google account. Simply use any of the existing Google account that you have, and you'll be logged into your account directly with no further asked. Next, what you need to do is just type in your question or prompt in the text box and press the enter button. So what here is the search bar or the text bar, as you could see. Then you just want to go ahead and type in your queries. So I'm going to type in a research for psychology. Then you want to click on the arrow button, and it's going to take a while in order to respond, so you just have to go ahead and do this. And next, if you want to upload any sort of files, document, photo that you have, you click the plus button at the bottom left corner of your screen, select one of these options, and accordingly go ahead and upload the photo. This way you'll be able to use Gemini AI in Google search. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.